Will we see Shiba Inu hit 1 cent? What's going on, guys? Welcome to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host, Umar Khan, and today we're covering Shiba Inu price action, price news, and updates. Has the meme coin season started? What's going on, guys? Before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, please do me all by smashing the like button and subscribe to the channel for more crypto news. Let's take a look at what's going on with Shiba Inu right now, guys. We can see we're up 6% on the day, and on the week we're up a whopping 27%, indicating we might be into the meme coin season already, guys. Shiba Inu's market cap has climbed to $18 billion mark, making this a top 11 cryptocurrency on coin market cap. Also, with a $2.1 billion mark 24-hour volume, we're seeing it trending at number 8, making the 8th most traded cryptocurrency. Guys, it's crazy to see how Shiba Inu was just a meme coin last bull run, and now has almost had altcoin-like behaviors in terms of price stability, in terms of holding its position at the top. With the Bitcoin halving happening in 24 days away, we're about to enter the craziest meme coin frenzy. With all this institution money entering the market, I anticipate to see some crazy gains this bull run. Let's take a look, a deep dive at what's going on with Shiba Inu. Let's go ahead and look at the charts. So we can see, guys, Shiba Inu has been having a solid rally up, and once we hit the peaks, guys, we've seen a sell-off, and then looks like we're setting up for new breakouts. We have some high-level resistance, guys, at this 4 point. As we can see, even in the past before, we saw a lot of, especially after its first crash, it started right here, resistance, and then as we can see now in present day, same thing looks like. We just need to break past this zone over here, but the general sentiment has a lot of buying pressure for Shiba Inu. When we're taking a look at some of the technicals, guys, we see a summary sitting more closer to the buy, with the oscillators at neutral and the moving averages at a very strong buy, and we see all the different values for the different points that this one's hitting. We can see Shiba Inu has some massive breakthroughs this bull run, with all this new money entering the markets as well, guys, and with Bitcoin halving days away, we're going to see some solid price action moves for Shiba Inu. Let's take a look at some of the news today. So Shiba Inu predicts to hit an all-time high soon, and here is when. Bitcoin recent climb to all-time highs has changed investor sentiment about the crypto market. Despite its recent correction, many analysts anticipate another bull market rally soon, fueled by BTC halving event in April. Many consider halving events bullish as they reduce the supply of an asset. Shiba Inu is one such asset, predicted to hit a new all-time high following the BTC's halving. So, guys, we can see in terms of Shiba Inu, guys, this was its previous all-time highs, which is almost a 3x from current price. If we're going to see Shiba Inu hit new all-time highs with the Bitcoin halving event, we're going to see a crazy price gain for Shiba Inu. You're looking at a minimum 3 to 4x, and that's only if it just reached its previous all-time highs, not even counting for catapulting to new all-time levels. And with people entering the market right now, guys, we're seeing a extreme greed and market. We're at the 82% level on the extreme greed index, and people are aping into these meme coins, to be specific. And Shiba Inu, obviously holding its grounds, as it's been around for some quite time now, has a decent amount of time in the market, and the fact that it's a top 11 cryptocurrency with a $17 billion market cap, about to pass 18 billion, Shiba Inu might just see its new all-time highs very soon. It's crazy to see how much Shiba Inu has grown from its initial launch last bull run to now. Now it's not just a meme coin, it's an ecosystem with SHIB, Leash, Bone, Shiboshi, their whole ecosystem, the SHIBarium. And then now we can see Wolf, SHIB Army, SHIB names have officially launched its public access. This means available for everyone. Here's some fun facts around early access that are coming up. So looks like they got SHIB names coming out as well. They're just trying to connect with the community as closely as possible, and that's what we're seeing for massive success for these community driven projects. I saw this tweet earlier, I just want to highlight as well. Shiba Inu is going to pump. They are going to pump hard. Brace yourselves for SHIB bull season 2.0. Are we entering the bull market? Are we going to see this coin pump? Talking about a pump, guys, let's talk about Dogecoin 2.0. This might be your last chance to enter at these solid low pre-sale prices, guys, and it's not going to be available for too long. Let's take a look. So, exciting news for the Doge20 community. We're thrilled to announce that Dogecoin 20 claim date, and the date is going to be April 20th, the International Doge Day. We've strategically chosen the iconic day to celebrate the spirit of Doge20 with the amazing community. For those who missed out on the pre-sale, we're offering one final opportunity to participate before the launch with our last chance to buy stage. Why April 20th is more than just a day, it's a celebration of the Doge and the culture. And guys, remember, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu were going at it head to head at one point, and Shiba Inu won the battle. will Doge 20 come in to save the day? Regardless of say, there's going to be some solid gains to be made. So guys, there's 24 days left for this last chance to buy. They've already raised over $10 million, which is absolutely insane for a pre-sale coin that hasn't even fully launched yet. No more inflation because it has a fixed supply versus an unlimited supply. It's been featured in a ton of articles, guys. The roadmap is solid, the tokenomics are solid, and the rewards are solid as well. Guys, you still have an opportunity to 2x your money by getting in early. You might want to grab a bag. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link for Dogecoin 20 in the description below, as guys are growing fast, about to hit 10,000 followers. They already raised $10 million, and we've been seeing these pre-sale puppies go absolutely crazy. Now guys, let me know what you guys thinking in the comment section below. How bullish are you for Shiba Inu? Do you think we're going to see new all-time highs this bull run? Are we entering this bull run market? Are we going to see a meme coin frenzy? Let me know what your thoughts are and opinions are in the comment section below. That pretty much wraps up the video, guys. If you enjoy watching videos like this, you know what to do. Smash the like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.